Hey subbies, we're going to be doing a Five Below haul. I can't wait to share all my amazing finds with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful uploads. Let's get into this amazing haul. First is a necessity. It's the Hers brand of chips. These are the grilled cheese and tomato soup flavor. I am so excited to try these. I love all of their flavors of chips because they are very flavorful, and you can't eat just one because they are just so darn delicious that you won't even want to share them with others for them to be able to try it. I've got a beautiful super soft blanket which I could not pass up because it is so stinking soft that it is perfect for the nights that you want to binge watch Netflix, Hulu, or watch a bunch of amazing fun YouTube videos that you can't help but binge watch because they are so entertaining. The last thing I got is going to be really helpful in my YouTube videos, which I'm really grateful for because I've always been a very organized person. This wonderful whiteboard, which I am so happy to have. It has the week along the side here and weekend at the bottom because I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This makes it super easy for me to plan out my videos and to know what ones I'm going to be filming for that week to keep me organized and on schedule. And because I like to have things color coordinated and fun, I also got a wonderful pack of dry erase markers to go with the board. I love shopping at Five Below because you never know what you're going to find there, and there's always some amazing things just waiting to be found. I can't wait to share many more wonderful fun videos with you, subbies. And I'm going to be sharing another video this month talking about the improved quality to my YouTube videos because I have gotten a brand new camera. To find out more about it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful videos because I'm going to be talking about my brand new camera very soon and I'm super excited. Make sure you're also following me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.